Resource Replacement Triggers. Terraform compares desired arguments to the prior object recorded in state. If any change argument is marked requires new resource by the provider schema, Terraform plans a replacement. Replacement means Terraform will create a different remote object, then update the state to point at it. A normal update uses a tilde because the object identity stays the same. A replacement uses --plus because Terraform must destroy one object identity and create another. Reading --plus correctly prevents you from treating a breaking change like a patch. Every resource argument has a change behavior defined in the provider. If an argument is update in place, Terraform can call an update API for the same object. If an argument is ForceNew, Terraform has no safe update API path, so it must replace the object. SSM parameter name is a remote object's identity key. Changing name cannot mutate the existing parameter into a new named parameter. Terraform plans --plus because the only valid outcome is a new parameter object. If you change name to /firm/app/config-v2, Terraform detects a ForceNew change. Terraform cannot rename the existing parameter, so it schedules destroy and create. The state address stays AWS SSM parameter.app_config, but the remote object behind it changes. By default, replacement can destroy first, then create, depending on graph constraints. Create before destroy changes the apply order to create the new object before deleting the old one. This reduces downtime only when the platform allows both objects to exist at the same time. Create before destroy fails when the new object cannot coexist with the old object. Global uniqueness, fixed names, and singleton constraints turn a safe order into an apply time error. On the submarine, you do not swap a seawater valve safely by installing the new valve first if the pipe only has one flange. Infrastructure has the same constraint when the name, DNS record, or singleton slot cannot be duplicated. Sometimes the resource API supports in-place updates, but your operational policy demands replacement. Replace triggered by forces replacement when the reference object changes, even if Terraform could have updated in place. This makes replacement a deliberate lifecycle decision instead of an accidental side effect.